Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Let's look into the differences, and this is between the classical and also the L-thought vibrios. So first let's look at the positive findings. So hemolysis, then the Voges proscure, as well as the chick red cell agglutination. Then comes the L-thought phage 5 susceptibility. So all this will be positive. Next is what is positive in case of the classical vibrio cholerae. So here it is the group 4, the 4 sensitivity, as well as a polymyxin. So only these are the positive findings. So 4 is the 4 phage sensitivity is positive, as well as the polymyxin B sensitivity in the classical is positive. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.